Here we are at the temple. We've been to a few different temples before if you guys have seen some of our other videos. But this one's really special. It's such a long walk and it definitely makes it worth coming up here.
We're back.
안녕하세요 and hello! That's the intro I meant to do. I was wrong and it's okay. You know what? That's fine.
Where are we going today?
I don't know. What's it called again? I'm really bad at remembering things.
Yongmun.
Yongmun? That's awesome. I'm really excited to go there. Who's in Yongmun?
Peter is in Yongmun, but Yongmun is a country city.
Ooh,
It's not even a city, it's like a town.
It's awesome.
Country town in Korea. One of the outskirts of Seoul. It's not that far, maybe like 30 minutes, but there's some great hiking and great food. So we're gonna go check that out for a day and see what it has outside of Seoul.
We first made our way to Cheongrang-ri Station. We got our train tickets and we were ready to go.
Quick ride. Quick ride. We just got on the train and it's a 30-minute ride, but we were like super late, so we were like bolting up the stairs, but we made it.
After the train ride finished, Austin and I met up with Peter to enjoy the beautiful sunset over the mountains in Yongmun. After that, we went out for some delicious duck kalbi at a very famous restaurant that was nice in the area. Following this, we went back to Peter's house, enjoyed a full night of sleep in preparation for our very long hike in the morning.
We're up today.
Yeah.
We are going hiking.
Yes, we are going on a beautiful hike. It's foggy, which is perfect for making videos.
Oh, the fog's coming up.
Oh, this is going to be so... Yeah, it's beautiful.
Beautiful in this foggy wasteland.
As we walked, the thick curtain of fog began to clear and it revealed both a beautiful little town and incredibly large mountains all around it.
Welcome to Young Moon Tours, where we drag tractors and we put the need for speed in your experience. Yep, we got a nice tractor pull here, we got a great cart to pull you on, and even free accommodations that you can go to afterwards for the true, authentic Young Moon experience.
Hell yeah. So here we are at the temple. We've been to a few different temples before if you guys have seen some of our other videos. But this one's really special. It's such a long walk and it definitely makes it worth coming up here. This is where the 6-hour hike to the summit begins. It took us like 3.5 hours to walk here. And now it's just the other 6 hours to get to the top. And there's a temple up there, man. There's a temple at the summit of that hill.
Yeah, amazing temple.
Amazing. Beautiful.
I've never been to any place like this.
Amazing.
There's an insane backdrop behind us, and of course you can see down here.
Amazing.
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 And this temple alone was worth the trip.
The connection with nature is just incredible. Like, it's one of those
Yeah.
things, like when you take like a Buddhist temple in like a big city, it's got like a completely different feel to when you're out in the country.
Yeah.
And like, I wish we had, like, well, at least for me, I wish I could understand more of the connection with the nature and could ask some more questions. And I think something maybe in the future we're going to try to learn a bit more about is the connection between Buddhism, nature, and the Korean faith in it. Like, it's really interesting.